Part 2. Book Bolt Research and Keywords. Now that we've identified some best-selling coloring books on Amazon, it's time to dig deeper using one of my favorite tools, Book Bolt. Book Bolt is an all-in-one platform for research, keyword analysis, and even book design. It helps you find what's selling, track competition, and optimize your own books to rank higher on Amazon. They actually offer 2 monthly plans, the newbie plan at $9.99 and the pro plan at $19.99. And here's the cool part. If you use my link in the description box, you'll get 20% off your subscription. It's honestly one of the best investments you can make if you're serious about publishing. Once we're logged in, I like to check out successful publishers to see what's working for them. One popular seller is Coco Wyoming inside Book Bolt. I can pull up all their books, see which ones are bestsellers. Let's take their top book as an example. It has a bestseller rank, or BSR, of 55. That's insanely good. The lower the BSR, the more sales a book makes. Book Bolt also helps us calculate estimated revenue. With a BSR of 55, this book sells about 865 copies per month. At a price of $9.99, that means monthly revenue of around $8,641.35. Pretty amazing, right? Another feature I love is the ability to save books to favorites and organize them by category. That way, you can keep track of trends and build your own research library over time. Next, I'll open the Cloud tab. Here, we can search the top 100 coloring books, filter by BSR range and price range, and instantly see the hottest sellers. And guess what? Many of the same best-selling books we saw earlier keep showing up here too, which confirms the demand is strong. Finally, Book Bolt has another great tool, the Book Scout tab. This is where you take the ASIN of any book and uncover all the keywords it's ranking for, along with their search volume and ranking position. This is powerful because it shows us exactly what buyers are typing into Amazon when they find these books. And later, we're going to use those same keywords in our title, subtitle, and description to make sure our book gets discovered too. So now we've got the data. We've confirmed demand, we know the keywords, we know the revenue potential, and we have examples of best-selling coloring books, like those from Coco Wyoming, that will inspire us